This washer, when it's powered up, it just sits there and click, click, click. It sounds like the door solenoid. But after opening it up, it has power to it. So the door lock's fine. So I suspect it'll be the timer. And I took the timer out and I went to my shop, got another one, and for some reason this one's been cut. I'll put a new end on it and it should be fine. And we'll see if it works. Here's where the timer goes. After you put the money in, it just turns to pre-wash and just click, click, click. Power's off. Let's get an end on this thing. If you guys don't have one of these, get it. It saves you so much time. They're expensive, but you make it back with all the time you save. It's made by Southwire. I don't remember how much they were. I've had them for years. There's the one I need. Look the same. Crimp. Done. These are old Dexters. These are from the late 90s. These are the oldest ones we have. Original to when the store was built. We're second owners. There's a little set screw in there. I can never do this stuff with one hand. Do they make anything to attach your phone to your head or something? I put it in my shirt pocket before, but then I never know what I'm looking at. You know, in your breast pocket with the camera sticking out over the pocket. But there's been some pretty interesting videos come with that. A lot of footage of the inside of my pocket. Or the ceiling. Now that set screw has to go on the flat part. It should be off. And if you forget where your wires go, just pop open the machine next to it, or take a picture with your phone before you take it apart. Alright, that's done. Let's give it a try. Cycle done. Start a new cycle. Advance. Final spin. Well, the set screws loose. That's an easy fix, but this machine is good to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that helps.